Hi students, in previous video we have discussed about the effect of pressure on the metals. So what we discussed, when we provide pressure to gas, what happens? The particles of the metals or the particles of the gas come closer and it also changes states from gaseous to liquid states. So when you give pressure, the gases will change from its state to its liquid state. Okay? So आमे pressure पकेले कौन होतिला? बाष्परु जल को परिणत होता अर्थात जेमती आमे सिलिंडर रे रखुचे तमे जदी सिलिंडर when you will look this cylinder Indian gas हांडी जेते आमे देखिबा सेठी टिके हलेले you will think that some liquids are there. So these are liquefied petroleum gas or LPG. So now we shall discuss factors affecting the evaporation. So we have discussed already pressure affect the matter or the matters, the particles of the matter becomes closed and states of the matters are changing when you provide pressure, and when you will also increase temperature, then also states of matters are changing. So now we shall look important phenomena that is called evaporations. So don't confuse about vaporization and evaporation. देखो पहले vaporization means बाष्पीकरण. That means when you give heat or you 100 degrees centigrade to liquid, it changes its state from liquid to gas. So 100 degree centigrade रे आमे जते बड़े तौल पदार्थ बा जल को 100 डिग्री टेम्परेचर देबा ताले सेटा जल बाष्पर परिणत हबो. So that is called vaporization, or vaporization is the process in which water starts boiling. So vapors are coming from the water. That is called vaporization. But evaporation is a phenomenon, something different. Evaporation is also changing the water molecules into vapor, water vapors. एटा मध्ये vapor evaporation मध्ये बाष्पीकरण भलिया किंतु बाष्पीकरण नुहे. बाष्पीभवन बोले अर्थ हैला जेते बेले तार 100 डिग्री टेम्परेचर आमे न देई तार कम टेम्परेचर माने 100 डिग्री टेम्परेचर रु कम below 100 degree centigrade, when we will see that some water molecules will changes its states from the water to gases, that is called evaporation. So evaporation is a process in which water vapors will come out from the water below its boiling point or 100 degree centigrade. So what factors affecting the evaporation? Evaporation तमे तो जानिथबो निश्चित बाष्पीकरण बोले जल बाष्पर परिणत होबाकू बाष्पीभवन कहंती, किंतु जल बाष्पर परिणत होतबो किंतु 100 डिग्री टेम्परेचर देबाकू पड़िबो कि सब बळे नाही. देखो बेले बेले तमे जदी when you are putting your clothes in your boundary or in your garden, so it will dry up, se sukhi jaye tale sete kon ame 100 degree centigrade temperature dau chuku ame tame khola jaga re you keep some water in open space, so then also you will see that some water vapors are coming from the that surface area. So एटा होची कोन इंक्रीजिंग सरफेस एरिया. जेते बेला में सरफेस एरिया इंक्रीज करले देखो तमे जदी तमरो क्लॉथ्स जेते बेला लुगा पटा की गामुछा जदी बाहर सुखै दोछ स्प्रेड थ्रू दी वेयर, so what happens, it will automatically dry up, सुखी जाय. ताले एटा कोन तमे 100 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड दउछो की तापमात्रा दउछो नाही ताले, so it will dry up, sukhi jauchi kintu water molecule will go outside. So it is the evaporation. So evaporation is a process in which water molecules will changes into vapor, water vapor below its boiling point. So when increase the surface area जदि आमे increase कर देवा तार क्षेत्रफल जदि आमे बढ़ाई देवा ताहले इवापोरेशन टा जल्दी हबो तमे गुड़े की गोटे जगह कपड़ा रखी देबो आ जदि बिछे की रखी देबो माने पूरा स्प्रेड आउट कर देबो तम क्लॉथ्स को यू विल इवापोरेशन विल बी फास्टर इन स्प्रेड आउट क्लॉथ्स. तापर देखिया इंक्रीज इन टेम्परेचर. सो इंक्रीज ऑफ टेम्परेचर जते बेले हमर तापमात्रा बढ़िबो सेते बेले कोन हबो सेते बेले मध्ये इवापोरेशन रो वृद्धि हबो माने बाष्पीभवन प्रक्रिया अधिक हो काहेकि तुम खरा दिन देखिथिबो जते टेम्परेचर अधिक होउची ताले कोन देखुछ हमर लुगापड़ा सब जल्दी सुखि जाउची. So when you increase the temperature, when the temperature of outside or your environment increases, then evaporation also becomes more and more. Thirdly, decrease in humidity. Humidity is a very important word. So presence of water vapor on the atmosphere is called humidity. Okay? Humidity means amaro माने वायुमंडल रे केते परिमाण रे जलीय बाष्प थाए ताहाको आर्द्रता कुहा जाय. सो आर्द्रता इज ह्यूमिडिटी इज अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर वेपर प्रेजेंट इन एटमॉस्फेयर. ओके दैट इज कॉल्ड ह्यूमिडिटी. सो जते ह्यूमिडिटी अधिक अछि माने वायुमंडल रे अधिक आर्द्रता अछि ताले कोन हबो हमर जो वाटर सरफेस रु जलवायु जल बिंदु गुड़िक जल इवापोरेशन टा कमी जीवो जते बेले ह्यूमिडिटी अधिक थिबो. हमर देखो साधारणतः वर्षा दिने हमर लुगापटा जल्दी सुखे नै किंतु खरा दिने अधिक सुखे ताले वर्षा दिने कोन बाहर रे जलीय बाष्प वाटर वेपर प्रेजेंट इन आवर सराउंडिंग विल बी मोर. तेनु कोन होय हमर जो लुगापटा रे जो माने वाटर इवापोरेशन टा जल्दी जल्दी हुए ना काई ना ताको टेम्परेचर दरकार. सो ह्यूमिडिटी अधिक थिले बाहर मध्य evaporation will less. So decrease in humidity will increase the evaporation. Increase the humidity will decrease the evaporation. Okay. In fourth, we shall see the increase in wind speed. So wind speed also affect the evaporation. जतरे तब देखिबो जोरे पवन होतबो ताहले कोन देखिबा हमें तो सम वाटर वेपर पार्टिकल्स विल बी गन अवे नेकी से गुडी को सब उड़े नै थाए ताहले कोन होय. सो से गुडी को जळे बा से पूर्ण से जगह को पूर्ण करिया पाई आल्सो some particles will evaporate from our clothes. So increase wind speed will increase the evaporation. So एई चारटा पॉइंट रे हमें लक्ष्य कले हमें कोन देखले evaporation how what are the factors affecting evaporation. So हमें जानले जे evaporation कोन बा बाष्पीभवन कोन जानिले आउ what are the factors ए चारटा फैक्टर तमे लिखा पड़ो you will get this question also in your examination. So increase in surface area increase होला evaporation बढ़े. Increase in temperature also increase in evaporation. Decrease in humidity also affect the evaporation or increase help in increase evaporation. Also increase in wind speed also support the evaporation. So next we shall see evaporation causes cooling. देखो जते बेले हमरो बाष्पीभवन होची से शीतलता प्रदान करचे. how evaporation causes cooling effect. does it हुए कि तबे लक्ष्य करछ जते बेले कोन हुए evaporation हुए सेते बेले कोन हुए the particles will get some energy from the surface. Actually when that particles will get energy, the surface will lose energy automatically. तमे लक्ष्य कर जिते तमे नेल पॉलिश टे तुम नखरे पकेब ताले कौन हम से तुमको ठंडा लगे कहीं it will get energy from your surface of the body, also from the surface of the surrounding also. So when heat energy will get that particles, so it will lose energy. Our body surface, ये जो नखर साइड रे जो as hot energy थी सेटा कौन हम automatically lose it. Okay. So when energy lose, then that will becomes cool. जितेबाला तापमात्रा से ताकू दे दो तार ऑटोमेटिक तापमात्रा कमी जो तेणु इट विल बी अ कूलिंग इफेक्ट सो इवापोरेशन कॉजेस कूलिंग इफेक्ट ओके इवापोरेशन कॉजेस सो इवापोरेशन कॉजेस कूलिंग इफेक्ट सो तमर बहिर भी एग्जांपल अछि व्हेन यू विल पुट सम एसीटोन इन योर नेल पॉलिश और योर नेल और इन योर palm you will feel cool. Why? Some energy that acetone particles will get some energy from the body surface and it will be evaporate. So when that will get heat energy from our body, we will feel cool. Similarly, we can also give example of the others like sprinkling of water on the roof, okay, or the ground to make it cool. जेतरा वर्षा तमे देखिथियो वर्षा दिन रे मध्य वर्षा टिके हेले हमर चारे पागटा कोन हुए टिके ठंडा लागे काहे कि ना सम हीट एनर्जी विल absorb from the earth. Okay, so evaporation causes cooling effect. You must understand. मु भाबुची त बुझिथिबो. So next we देखिबा next time देखिबा कोन is cotton clothes helpful during summer. हमें जो खरा दिन रे cotton clothes पिंदुचे when we are wearing cotton clothes during summer, what happens? Cotton clothes are good absorber of water or sweets. तमे हम देहर sweets बाहर जानिछो. So cottons are good absorber of sweets. So when it will come in contact with the environment, then automatically evaporation takes place. Okay? So cotton cloths are helpful during the summer. Next we shall discuss about the why do you see water droplets on the outer surface of the glass containing ice cold waters. I will show you this glass. Okay, see this glass. Okay, are you looking it? तब देखि पारुछो. So एठे कोन देखुछो some water droplets are also there. Okay, some water is on the outside of the glass. So here is ice is here, and water droplets are, you can find water droplets on the outer surface of the glass. So how does it happen? So we saw that some water droplets on the outside of the glass. What happens during it? जेतेबेले हम आइस जेतेबेले हम ग्लास भीतर रखी देले हम ग्लास रो चारिपटे पानी देखले टिके वाटर ड्रॉपलेट्स small droplets are there. So how it's formed केमते गुड तयारेला जेतेबेले ए हमें जानले जे in outer surface some water vapors are there but we cannot see it. But when it come in contact with ice cold water, it changes its states from gases to liquid. That is called condensation. Niki, tam gote padithili condensation. So changes of the states from the gases to liquid. So these particles, water vapors present in surroundings, when came in contact with glass, which is cold water is present on that glass, it becomes cool and it changes its states from gas, water vapor to liquid states. So you understood everything what is today's discussion. So evaporation causes cooling effect. तमे जानछो we perspire in summer seasons more. हमें बेसी हम देह झाड़े दे जाए काहे कि ना हमर it is due to the mechanism of body to keep our body cool. Okay, so liquid get energy from the body surface and it changes into water vapor, or it changes into vapor states, and it will come out from the body. So we are feeling cool. Evaporation causes cooling effect. So आम ए सब डिस्कशन जो कले इवापोरेशन ऊपर मु भाबुची समस्ते बुझी जाइथिबो निश्चित भाव में भल भाव में बहीटा को पढ़ो. Here we complete our first chapter. Okay, our first chapter matters in our surroundings. Okay, students. So we have discussed about the matters in our surrounding. Two more states of the matters are there. You will thoroughly read in your books. I am just telling you that is plasma states. Plasma state means you read about the solid, liquid or gases. When you will heat gases more and more, then it particle becomes super energetics, most energetics, and that will be in ionized states. Okay, so that state is called plasma state. Okay, then other state is Bose-Einstein condensed state. So when you solidify more solid, one more state was predicted by Einstein, that is called Bose-Einstein condensed state. So we have discussed about 5 states of matter: solid, liquid, gases, plasma, and when you more condensate about the solid, then Bose-Einstein condensed state, a state you will get. So go thoroughly your books and enjoy the chapter and try to apply in your daily life. Okay, thank you. केमती लगला निश्चित कमेंट देबो, and those who have not subscribe करना and enjoy the video. Thank you.